KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
U Vice Chancellor jongka North Eastern Hills University u Professor P.S. Shukla ula kular shekinong ilam jongka North Eastern Hills University Students Union ba unsa pun orlong shwa tang santli niki arpau tli ki jingdawa ki baka union kalabo hakman kani ka jingkular jong Vice Chancellor jongka North Eastern Hills University kalong hadin baki samla puli jong kani ka school ba ki baladap da ka jing bitar kila penlong da ka jing yakhi ka bajai jai hadin baki bor penyaj kila shus ngap menti baro shikata bat shwa kani kalami iru ka jing yatainya ka bajor hapadeng ki samla puli bat u Vice Chancellor u Professor P.S. Shukla hagajing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor uliatho baki santli ki mat jingdawa baki bor penyat kila kular ban pun orlong no mardor ya ke jingdawa ban bo wifi haki hostel basa ki samla puli ban penbiang khambun terli ki bos ki ban let shaw bat let on ki samla puli man lakasngi ban penbiang ya ka bam ka babha bat ka umbam umdi hapo hostel ban penbiang ya ki dawai dashin hapo ke health center ka badan Nihu campus ban maramot no mardor ya ka jot ka pay jonki hostel.
As a student, we need teachers, faculty in order to teach us. This is our university and we demand for filling up these vacancies. We need privacy! We need privacy! We need privacy! We need privacy! We need
directly with Professor Prasanjit. Prasanjit is already doing the work in this area.
Few days ago, Dharmendra Pradhan came here, but you are not telling about our problem anything. Few days ago, Dharmendra Pradhan came here, but you are not telling anything about our problem.
Initiation of coaching in the net. I think in the future I am going to
no future. No.
We are the future. All of you here are the future.
What about Dani? What Dani have in last 7 months? We have yes, Dharmendra Pradhan already come because few days ago, but you are not telling about any issue.
When the student already joined this university.
But even though you have already known our issue, sir.
Yes, sir. Coaching opportunities for the students such as UPSC and SCC, UPSC and SCC, as you mentioned. SCC is here. As you know, University already signed an MOU with the जो है Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Center. Already discussed with your other students of the NEHU will also be benefited with this institution.
When you're here only speaking gibberish, we want coaching in NEHU, not outside NEHU. Sir, I want to be an IS officer. I need to coaching, but only not need for HC students, only not need for any other student. But I am a category of general. I want to be an IS officer. Yes. You think all about you, not only HC student, but I want to be IS officer. We don't want discrimination.
Facility will always also be available for other students.
It was written for SC only. It was
Net examination, for the net examination already discussed with the जो है Dean School of जो है Technology, also जो है Dean of the other thing, and I hope after the discussion, this, but without the discussion we cannot start immediately. I just issue an order out to start.
Okay, wait for a minute. So already brief us our issues. Now let him provide the solution now.
We'll go point twice again. We'll go point
Wi-Fi will not take more than 15 days. More than 15 days. First time I'm going to say something within 15 days, it means within 15 days. One minute. After the 15 days,
No,
if this is not happening, and ask me the question.
after 15 days, our exam will be over. How will we study? How will we study, sir? Our exam will start after 15 days. How will we study? Nowadays, the world is moving. Everything is online.
Everything.
You are not appointing vacancies.
Offline examination is going on. Books are already available. And lectures on the basis you can participate in
When was the last time you was in a library?
Okay, let me say something.
Sir,
Our sir, you forget to read the point number 9. We said that you need 9 to upgrade the books and facilities in the library. Yes. Within a period of 2 weeks. Why we demand this is because
Making excuses, keeping the point.
The software that we use in our laboratory is not working, sir.
yeah.
In our lab, it's not working. We are facing that one because it's a crap one. Actually, NEHU should get the one that have issued by the government, but we use the crap one, sir. And then also sometimes we use it only for 15 days. Then even though if we save the art project, but it get deleted after some time.
But step by step, I will be in position to solve the problem. No, if you are just going to say immediately within the week, within the 2 weeks, you
It's been 4 years. I'm a technology student. I studied for 4 years. This is my final years. Why it hasn't been solved since then?
Why, what is happened in the past, I'm not going to
So,
discuss.
sir, but this
What happened in the past, I will always live in the future. future. I always believe in the future. I always with the help
I
of
don't
the
believe in the future. I believe in
So important issues such as transport, Wi-Fi, vacancies, maintenance of hostels, library. With all these issues, we can wait. With other issues, we can wait for at least a month or two. But for these important issues such as transportation, hostels, Wi-Fi, vacancies, he should give us assurance 1 week.
Actually, the vacancy fill up of the vacancies cannot fill up within the week. So I cannot give the wrong assessment. That is not possible. All of you are educated student in the campus. You know the position how to appoint a person. So within the week, this is not possible. Okay. In this one thing is your hiring of the buses. In this month, I will provide you the buses. No, sir. Wi-Fi services in the hostels. For the cleaning of the waters and other thing, this work will start from the tomorrow.
No,
After 15 days. Listen my voice. After the 15 days, here is your union, representative of the union, office bearer of the union can discuss with me after the 15 days how many work.
Let me tell my VC, I'm going to have the exam. I won't have time to come here and discuss again with the issues. You need to give us assurance within 2 weeks that you will solve these issues. We won't have time to come again and again here.
Action-oriented notice already given to the concerned person. Okay? No. But you just for the water, especially for the water, from the tomorrow, this work will be started. This is very directly comes with that. Medicine already approved, money already approved. One by one. I am just going to one by one. I can say that. For the medicine, already approval given to the concerned person. He is just going to purchase the medicines. Even I think tomorrow he is going to purchase. Already
You know, last week, Assistant Commissioner on Food Safety had come to visit the campus and did the inspection in the restaurants. Along with the union, we went to the hostels.
Not the restaurant food.
The hostels.
Regarding the food, we already went to inspect, okay? We already inspect, and Assistant Commissioner of Food, she will give a report, okay? Regarding the food in Nehu. She will give a report. And she also said that the environment in Nehu is very dirty. Hostels, you know, very, very dirty. We have toilets on top, kitchen below. And the pipes, you know, those pipes are leakage and full of shit. And it's not because of mainly because of the food also. It's because of those, because it's very dirty, not maintainable. You go and check the toilet, if you check the water, you see it's red in color. And we have been sending letter to, you know, repair the aquaguard, but till now no one is doing it. So, okay, regarding the food inspector, she already came. She will release her report.
And regarding the water quality, we have all these.
Every day.
We have all these.
Every day we walk.
Listen.
Allow him to speak.
See, regarding the water quality, samples, 20 samples from different hostels have already been sent to Pasteur Institute, and within 10 days we will get the report. Because not only the hostel residents, the campus residents were suffering from stomach complications.
Yes, sir.
So we all have concerns about the water quality in the campus. and samples have already been sent to Pasteur Institute, and we will get a report in 10 days. Okay. Now about the mess quality, about the food quality. We are working on that, as he has already witnessed that we have gone to different hostels to find out the reasons why the students are having problem. Is it the water quality or is it the food quality? That we are working on that. Okay. And about the different issues like the maintenance of the hostel. Okay. Now, like from Honorable Vice Chancellor, he has already cleared the files on the repairing of the hostels. But there is one problem which I think the in charge of CTD will explain to you, that the contractors are on strike. They are not participating in the tenders. And you know, when you demand that work has to be done in 1 week, in 2 weeks, it cannot.
Why are they on strike?
If we have to start the work, tender has to be floated as per rules. Certain number of days has to be given to the for the tenders to be completed. Then only the work will start. We are working on that. And allow me, like I'm your Dean of Students' Welfare. And we are working together with the union, with the president. Now whatever has to be done from my side, that I've already put pressure on the administration. Okay. Now what sir has committed to you, within 15 days, you can find out whether the work has been done or not. But we are working on that, and sir has given you the assurance within 15 days. And you have all the recordings. Okay. So that writing or the recordings that are equivalent.
Let me say something.
They said that they have released tenders and all. I checked every day in the NIHU website. There's no such notification regarding the request for tenders for this maintenance of hostel, for everything. I check every day in the morning when I wake up. There's no such kind of, they request for tenders.
We are not here to get compromised. Yes!
Will you listen to me?
No.
Okay. So if you listen to me, then I am telling you the truth. Okay, what is truth? Okay. Now you see, this is true that contractors are on strike. Okay. Whatever the issues and all that we are trying, okay, all cannot be, that means, discussed in public, is not it? We are having already, that means, discussion with the contractors, and tomorrow we are having a meeting with contractors, and hopefully tomorrow this strike will be over. I am very much hopeful.
So why there is no any notification released in the regarding the tenders?
No, you see, there was notification. In fact, one hostel has been ticketed also for that, for innovation work.
Contractors are on strike, not the NIHU, so the NIHU should release the tenders on the website.
Yes. Why not? Why there is no tenders?
No, tenders is there. You see this particular file. This is for Safed Padang, and this particular one is for Safed Padang NDA. Okay, the 19th was the last day, and there was no bidder actually. I'm not saying lie over here. Why I am telling lie in front of my own students?
No,
I'll go down, isn't it?
No, if you want contractor, you should release it on the website.
Yes. 000, you see, 000.
No.
This is the
given in website. What is
it was in the website. It was in the government website. I'm not telling lies.
Why not in the new website?
No, it's true. It's in the recording.
I stand here on behalf of the law students from the law department, and I would like to just brief it to you that we have submitted a memorandum and we have brought the notice of the VC with regards to the approval from the BCI for the law department. But till now, we can see that there has been no action in this, and the career of the law students cannot be at risk. The law students' career is at risk, I'm telling you, because we have not got the approval from the BCI since the year 2018-19 and onward. And as of now, there are 4 batches which have not got the approval from the BCI. Therefore, on behalf of the whole of the students of the law department and the students of the university as a whole, we want and we demand from the VC to take serious consideration into this and to make sure that our career won't be at risk and it will be resolved at the earliest. Otherwise, by next year, we being the last semester students, we will be passed out from here. And what is the use of our degree if we are not being recognized by the Bar Council?
Yes.
So, sir, please look into this issue and take this seriously.
Okay, let the discussion get assurance. For the sake of college, 5.5 lakh rupees the registration be already approved, and the concerned department is doing the work in this area. Already money is approved for the registration and other purposes. So how can you say that? We are not just going to even discuss all the matters. That is already approved. And the concerned person is doing the work. You don't believe? Don't believe to the I cannot say.
Give in writing.
Yeah, give in writing. There is no meaning of giving writing all the things. Writing all the things, there is no meaning. I already just assured, even you can, if anyone is stated, can see the files from the finance officer. The money is already approved for this purpose.
Jadi kalau pernah ini ke Nihu Student Union, pandemi krui, ringkat kesamla pulih juga sekolah bah Nihu. Hangni akamat ke office jong vice chancellor, ketau kalau bah porok kata, nak kapor. Abadai berki issues, jong kesamla pulih ke sekolah bah Nihu, nyala jupa, nyala jukerpat, nyala judawaru. Lakatu kenepar aduk mentah ne keempat ulang di ilaparu tiba per ki concern authority ba per ilaparu kamu merdam show visi ndrai tangkawe isu ikram patyaw di kidan shibon kimat kibangi nakani student senior itawa kamat vice chancellor kamat kebagusan Along batum no, eki vacancies, like ada teaching, non-teaching staffs, market kene, kata shisha, ya kisah boleh, ani dapat sekolah pak ni, akan jimbom dan kini kai, jimbom dan non-teaching staff, ban nyarap, akan jingterkam juga ni berapa. Abadai berkepos, jom pro vice chancellor, paling dawa, nama arba man kapar nijuan berkedu ya vice chancellor judan dan sisen lani arsen ke sitiau par aba udan ro labun kam nak sekiwi-kiwi bertan marwan teng de isu dan kam bertum na pro vice chancellor lada long lele dawa bayi bro lejang kemut nak jala ka jong hi nang bangin suk panikram insuk banetai insuk banetir na buta ka kamiat jong gene ka istu buran ka ni ka jala ka jong hi Abdai berkasihan face juga School of Technology untuk lajar arpo senam iklam UI tang sidak ne tang si senjam bahkan Nihu Kalashim Indrai abang ipai ke first face kapto mila dengan sini sutu mila berkam nak ban plina dan ne bat sedang nak ya ki jingdon kam ya nyo kasihan face kata ka tutup ya ka civil engineering ka mechanical engineering ka chemical engineering ka mining engineering ka rural engineering bat kiwe de ni sudan kam na wat ladang isto ba omna ban serta omna mutahi indra ki paperwork kidi ban sedang na kuno mutaus nam abri ba second phase of School of Technology te abri ba ki bosses itep baka Nihu i Baragway dan lakumba sana jangut ki sambal pule pergi bos dan pergi makan wei pili gumno la ban embiang ki sambal pule ba sa amaki hostels ndrai ki jakaba per ini hamang ba shlam di ajing supat bro ki student si bro ki sambal pule ki apso ade berkabai bos ndrai ombro ki be bos bro bos kilom ki kim but ni don't come kita hire no di proses pun approve dan dok mutamne nyimpat idak saja tendau mi iPod hero artio can hire no di bos tak sama abre mata hostel kumpak layu slow mene ba bun lagi jingbian di las nulut hostel jungi dan ekspangut di sama pule mau ka lain bisa tangar tili ki pancana kilo ikuno kala banda ailat ya baru sama pule Kalau ni lah dalam kamna ban warna lo maintenance ni repair work habis bagi electrical appliances, habis bagi plumbing work, habis bagi om ro karong sau. Kalau menanyi kliu visi, tata tuan visit apa hostel sekali karong cukup. Marka om kalau rong sau. Habis wat kaji proposal bang no shusho iki hostels kadang kajing tei ka girls hostel menta ni kajing trikam ru kaski ni dawa berpistan no kajing trikam juga ni ongoing construction joki hostel tei bagi sudan kamru panawan ra shusho ki proposal bantei shibun ki hostels namarba idon shibun ngut sama plan di school ba ni Abri kau buat wifi connectivity, itu pakai notebook. Yang lepas kerja ni hukum lebih entah. Penitip sama pilih kita kam hai kan connectivity. Namarba, kita haban lagi project paper, haban lagi thesis paper. Ika wifi ru, kamlang le. Eka jing dawa juni kalau ban penbiang no, ki wifi. Man lagi hostel, lani haman lagi kamera kelas. Kenapa? Hukum kita sama pilih. Inang yaila, man le iki jing kam juni. Abri ke library facilities. Ketung kejingan jutip. Kumba absolak kayu kumba upgradation of books. Ane ban update ikut kislah. Di kata kali tengah kata ayom sisnam. Di metal ars laisnam. Lempat update habis ikut kislah. Di shake pun jaya kislah. Update no ikut. Mar bangi ni memang kejuk. Kamu bisa hidung kam. Kamu kerja lagi cuma kam. Banyak ikut buat mai untuk updated version. Abri ke All India Inter University Championship. Banyak kan bahawa Haus 6 meledap. Kita sama play nak kena ke sekolah ba niu balayo ya ka bedal kumah ada kickboxing ba nation samru aku kickboxing ni apa ni page kena balai ni duna medal selama sekolah ba niu nomor ba niu kam jumpa ya kinong isim bata kita lamba like niu ni kijing leka ni pagi activities events right niu ka pa ka tang ar like ni tingi kwa la no pa shibun events namba niui kan pau habaro koi kari India dia pada baka medical facilities ini kita nak pilih ambulans koi ambulans dah shong report sab jauh te kita kam shushu ambulans dan menen hi kadang ka jingja hat attack apa hostel uthai ambulans ni ko badan hapo ni hui kawa shimpor hadu ar kanta ban poi nani hu hapo hostel ni hu ka shimpor ar kanta kita kam 24 hour active ambulance services te ni don kamro ka 24 hour health center maka health center ta kipli tangan sini te ni don kambakan pli atso tan warba ni don tumba atso tu hostel sai mut ki basa hostel ro dan ki hajar nut te ni don kambak health center kan pli atso kanta sagawiro mentah ki por bagi student sangne ki lechim dawai ane pa check up unjudan dawai sai tang slep atin na bar di balengi seu pada tiga bai medical abangi la seu ide ban penbiang yang ngiro abade ki dawai abade bat kini di playground ni ka manan football ro long ka manan pukte di pay basketball ro long show te kumno ni expect kumno ni quality bagi sama la kini school bar ni utin yo la bane shim bataba bana abade bat ki coaches ro abangi nujar bagi we parti university ni ki penbiang ki coaches marbe kwa ga university jodi kan pau jungi parte bagi coaches badan atlim ta likely ro dan vacancy te kumno ni expect bagi tum shibun ki coaches martangi baladon par likely ro no ahira
more than 60 smart classroom in the campus only for the betterment of the teaching situation in the campus either in some just like previously happened the COVID period or in the or you can say the offline or online classes. Actually student can ask any demand and I always trying to fulfill the demand of the students. Just like some problems related to the department, some problem related to the schools, some problems related to the administration, and also some problem related to the finance. I already before today discussed the problems of the student with the different sections, and all the sections are doing their best effort in this area, and the message already conveyed the student. Again I am repeating my word. Why immediately tomorrow student union, no, yesterday student union जो है take this decision to agitate in front of the vice chancellor office without any information, even I in the last even in the last time at 11th hour जो है after जो है listening the noise and slogans of the student, then I were aware of the student, they also demanded in the future if it is required then I will take the decision. Even I am doing my best efforts every day. Even anyone can, all of you also inquire, from 9:30 to up to जो है 8:30, like 9:30, like that, for the betterment of the जो है situation. Even every day going to clear all the things, but it will take some time to improve the situation of the NEHU. No, all of you are well aware about the situation of the NEHU, but last 9 to 10 months, what already did for the NEHU. All of you are the witness of the NEHU. You know, due to the COVID period, more than 2.5 years, everybody just taking it that easy. And last 2 months or this semester, as a running the student with offline campus teaching. Definitely in last 2.5 years, some hostels, offices and others, due to unutilization of the different body, it's created several type of problem, and they are doing their best efforts, but it will take some time. No? Even just like UK University, even within 2 hours or 2 days or 7 days, it's not possible. Even I also already advertise the post and going to fill up the post, and hope as soon as possible I am trying to fill up the post of the advertised post of the teachers and non-teaching staff. Actually, I already discussed with the students. My students are really very good students. Student can agitate, can say anything, but ultimately he also agree. I given him in writing also. Complete their five demands, which is related to the Wi-Fi, food, then the hospital, then initiation of work, cleaning and others work in the hostel within the 15 days.
Buses also, sir?
Yeah, within 15 days.
Buses, sir?
Buses also. A student can ask anything. I already studied in the some universities. As a student, I can say anything. He is my student. He can say anything. I'm not going to take it as serious.